The Titanic hit a huge iceberg off the coast of Canada on April 14, 1912. An iceberg scrapes along the side of the ship. The captain hurries from his room, goes down below to see if the ship was hurt. Too many water compartments were filled with water. In fact, 5 of the 16 compartments were filled, so the ship can't float. The captain gives orders to wake the passengers, radio for help, and get the lifeboats ready.
What the people did when the Titanic was sinking. Ladies and children went first on the lifeboats. The crew lowered down their boats when only half of the boats were filled because there was no time. Some people had to swim in the icy water. 1,522 people died. Many poor people stayed down because they didn't know where to go, or they didn't let the poor people go up. They made them suffer below deck.
Why the Titanic is called the Wonder Ship. It was called the Safe Ship. People thought it could never sink. It was the world's biggest ship. It had 11 stories high and 4 city blocks long. It has a good lookout. It has a steel door at the bottom that shuts so the water can't get out and sink the ship. It has a gym, swimming pool, and 100 rooms. It has 2 layers of steel on the bottom. It has 16 watertight cups.
How Robert Ballard found the Titanic. Argo the robot went down and found the ship. Still had old artifacts, old things on board like a toilet bowls, doll's head, a footboard from a bed, and a bathtub. Argo can go down really far to take video pictures, lights to see on the ocean floor. Argo had to send videos to Robert Ballard on the boat. He studied maps and pictures that Argo sent to him. He saw sand and more sand. So finally something showed upon the screen other than sand. Yes, he found the Titanic.
How the ship was so safe. It has 2 bottoms. It has 16 watertight compartments. Has a steel door that will shut if water fills up. Had a lookout person to warn people if they're going to hit something. The designers made it 11 stories tall, 4 blocks, because they thought it had these things to keep it from sinking.